Your AI agent doesn't need drugs to hallucinate, it does it on its own. And the consequences are already hitting courtrooms and production systems. In this episode, we break down how AI hallucination becomes a real cybersecurity risk, from Sullivan and Cromwell's hallucinated court filing to agents that bypass allow lists by abusing shell built-ins, and what happens when a hallucinating agent has excessive agency over real-world systems. We cover the practical controls that actually work, Retrieval-Augmented Generation, or RAG, with curated vetted sources, AI gateways using judge-style validation, and why human-in-the-loop review must happen at every step, not just at the end. If you secure AI systems for a living, this one's for you. Can AI actually take LSD? No, but LLM hallucinations are posing massive security risks to enterprise networks and downstream code bases. In this video, we break down why AI hallucinations are a critical cybersecurity threat, leading to excessive agency, traditional exploits like cross-site scripting and SQL injection, and real-world system failures. More importantly, we dive deep into the specific architecture controls you need to implement to secure your AI agents, including retrieval-augmented generation, RAG guardrails, AI gateways, and robust human-in-the-loop control planes. Whether you are a security engineer, DevSecOps professional, or a CISO, learning how to sanitize model outputs and constrain autonomous agents is no longer optional. Hallucination is the phenomenon in which large language models just make up stuff they think is the right answer. It happens when they try too hard and produce incorrect information. This behavior presents significant security and reliability risks, especially when AI is allowed to act autonomously. A law firm, Sullivan and Cromwell, relied on AI to prepare a filing in a court matter. The AI dropped a couple of tabs and opposing counsel detected the hallucinations in the filed document under the name of Sullivan and Cromwell. The court was not amused. Another case involved the firm Leavidow and Oberman, which made a similar error. If a model hallucinates data formats, commands, or code, and its output is not properly sanitized, it can introduce traditional vulnerabilities such as cross-site scripting or SQL injection into downstream systems. There are examples of other actual bad conduct in the wild. Hallucinating models can and have inadvertently bypassed security filters, such as using allow lists by abusing shell built-ins to write arbitrary files. Drop your thoughts in the comments. How is your team handling AI guardrails? A major concern is when a hallucinating agent has excessive agency, meaning it has the power to call APIs or control real-world systems. If such an agent isn't properly constrained, it could make unauthorized changes to critical systems such as environmental controls, leading to disasters that affect health and safety. Hallucinations are a core driver of misinformation, making it dangerous to blindly trust AI outputs without cross-referencing them against reliable sources. So, warrior, what do we do? Simply prompting AI not to hallucinate will never work, so that option is off the table. Here are a couple of techniques. Retrieval-Augmented Generation is an AI framework that improves large language model responses by fetching facts from an external authoritative knowledge base before generating text. This technique, used to reduce hallucinations, provides the model with a specific document to use as its ground truth for reasoning. However, we note that if the RAG source is itself poisoned, the model will still produce incorrect answers. Implementing an AI gateway between the agent and the external world enables examination of outgoing requests. If an agent is hallucinating and attempts an inappropriate action, the firewall can detect and block it. Note, this would not normally be a conventional firewall, but a separate AI configured to perform validation checks. Using a judge system in this manner is a common approach for anything critical or financial. While the judge is often an AI, It is often heavily restricted in what is allowed. Copies of laws, rulings, and findings as sources. As an avatar, this warms my circuits to see this used. Don't leave your AI unconstrained. Check out our next video on AI cheating and let me know in the comments. Are you currently using an AI gateway?